Alright, time to play some UFC. Man, I've been waiting a long time to play this. McGregor. Yo, these graphics are nice. Alright, let's see. Press any button. Let's see, where's the any button at? It's not on the front. It's not here. Let me check the back. It's not here either. Press any button. Alright, let me look it up. Nothing but custom controllers. Taco Bell controller, that's crazy. Oh, here we go. Let me try this. It is on the back where you grip. Let me give it another try. Alright, nothing right there. Fuck it.